Welcome to Beautyistic. If you're chasing brighter, firmer skin and tackling pigmentation, this one might catch your eye. We're exploring the Image Skincare MD Restoring Power C Serum, a concentrated facial serum designed with 20% vitamin C and ferulic acid, formulated to help reduce pigmentation while boosting skin firmness and radiance. Right off the bat, the serum presents as a lightweight liquid with a subtle aloe scent, which is gentle and unobtrusive. Its key feature is the 20% vitamin C, stabilized with ferulic acid, known for enhancing antioxidant protection and brightening effects. Complementing this is the hyaluronic acid complex, designed to deeply hydrate and lock in moisture, improving skin elasticity and overall smoothness. It's packaged in a dark glass bottle to protect the potent formula from light and oxidation, a smart move for maintaining efficacy. In daily use, I found it easy to integrate into both morning and evening routines. The texture is silky without being sticky, absorbing quickly and layering well under moisturizers or makeup. Over the course of a few weeks, I noticed a subtle evening of skin tone and a more hydrated, plump appearance. The serum feels particularly effective after cleansing, giving a refreshed and lifted sensation. That said, because of its high vitamin C concentration, it may tingle slightly on very sensitive skin, so patch testing is recommended. On the upside, this serum offers strong antioxidant support, visible brightening, and hydration, all in one formula. The packaging is elegant and protective, and the formulation aligns with professional skincare standards. On the downside, the price point is on the higher end, and those with extremely sensitive skin may experience minor irritation initially. Considering value, the serum is justified for anyone seeking clinical strength vitamin C with hydrating benefits, especially when compared to lower concentration alternatives. While some more affordable vitamin C serums exist, few pair this level of potency with a comprehensive hyaluronic acid complex. So for serious results, this one holds its ground. Compared to other high-potency vitamin C serums, the Image MD Restoring Power C Serum stands out for its combination of 20% vitamin C, ferulic acid, and hydrating hyaluronic acids in a formulation that's suitable for most skin types, including sensitive skin. The texture and absorption rate also make it more user-friendly than some thicker or sticky counterparts on the market. The serum feels solidly built, literally in packaging and in performance. Longevity-wise, vitamin C serums tend to degrade if not stored correctly, but the dark glass bottle helps maintain stability over time. I haven't had to interact with customer support, but Image Skincare is known for its responsive and knowledgeable service if needed. If you're exploring alternatives for budget reasons, some mid-range serums offer vitamin C with hydration, but often at lower concentrations or with fewer antioxidant boosters, which may limit results. For those prioritizing clinical-level results and multi-benefit formulas, this product justifies its investment. Overall, the Image MD Restoring Power C Serum offers a potent, science-backed approach to tackling pigmentation, boosting radiance, and locking in moisture. It's particularly suited for anyone looking for a high-strength vitamin C serum with additional hydrating benefits. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for watching, and if you've tried this serum, drop a comment below and share your experience. The link to purchase is in the description box. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.